We'd always recommend starting with savoury vegetables and then evolving the flavour journey into sweeter vegetables, fruits, and then combinations of vegetables and fruits.
I think you quite like peas.
Really endorse veg first. Things like peas, carrots. Really great products to start your baby's first weaning.
The first food we started with was cucumber, which took the majors to eat, and they would like stab themselves in the eye with it. And then we just took it really slowly with individual foods. I didn't obviously make anything special.
Yeah, it's a pea. Yummy.